All right. Smart dog, huh? Ready? Ready? Speak. Good boy. Are you gonna lift it up and over? Lift it up and over. Bring it here. Bring it here. What do you smell? Huh? Okay, bring it here. Get the ball. Get the ball, Shadow. Get your ball. What do you smell? What are you doing? Is that bird crap? You nasty? Are you nasty? You're drooling. That's disgusting. Shadow. No. Get off of there. Get your ball, Bubba. Get your ball. Shadow, get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. You want to go swimming later? Do you want to go swimming later? Yeah, you know where the gate is. If you want to go swimming later, get your ball. What's wrong? Huh? Get your ball. Get your ball. Now, bring it here. Bring it here. There you go. Drop it over. Good boy. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'll let you go swimming later. All right. Go get it. Good boy. Says, I know how to use the ladder, huh? Yeah, come on. Up and over. Good boy. I'll be taking a video of you later going up the ladder and using the ladder to get out. Does not pee in the pool. So stick around in my name and you'll see him. He's such a gorgeous dog. There you go. Up and over. Oh, am I gonna... Yeah, he goes in that ladder. He jumps in. Pretty.